Okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. Volkswagen first all-electric SUV is more accessible, more advanced, and more comfortable for 2023. Built on Volkswagen MEB electric vehicle architecture, the ID.4 marries the strength of a purpose built EV with the performance, packaging, and value features that have marked the brand for decades. The ID.4 upper structure is simple with the three trim standard, Pro, S, and S Plus, and the option of 62 kWh and 82 kWh batteries and rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The entry ID.4, now called the ID.4 Standard, is equipped with a new 62 kWh battery, allowing for a lower price of entry and an ABS limit range of 209 miles. The ID.4 Pro continues with an 82 kWh battery that allows for an ABS limit range of 275 miles. A single permanent magnet synchronous motor powered the rear wheels and provides 201 horsepower. ID.4 all-wheel drive Pro model is an asynchronous motor to the front axle, resulting in a bump to 295 horsepower and have an ABS limit range of 255 miles. The well-equipped ID.4 Standard start at $30,495 MSRP. On the outside, gloss black highlights adorn the front bumper. Three new wheel designs are available, with S model now receiving 20 inner rims and S model receive an illuminated rear Volkswagen emblem to round out the previously equipped exterior premium lighting package that include premium LED headlight with the adaptive front lighting system, an illuminated light line, and a front Volkswagen emblem. Inside, the ID.4 now boasts a standard 12-inch infotainment display. Moreover, every trim looks more luxurious for 2023. On standard model, the dash receives stitching in addition to new Millennium fabric and a leather seat side bolster, replacing the basic cloth upholstery of the previous model. This trim is available with the new interior color, stone or nutmeg. Stone vehicles are paired with a black and a gray accent, while nutmeg vehicles bring an attractive brown hues. On all S model, two new curated leather interior bring an upscale ambience, and the choice between Galaxy or Cosmic finish. Galaxy vehicles are finished with a black leather seat insert paired with a platinum gray bolster, door insert, and dash with a black steering wheel and display. Vehicles with the Cosmic interior are equipped with a gray leather seat insert matched with a blue bolster, door insert, and dash with the white steering wheel and display. The door panel receives enhanced stitching to complete the refined look, and there are refined center console that better serve the needs of American customer. Heated outer rear seats are now available on the top S Plus trim. The ID.4 continues to offer a complete suite of state-of-the-art driver assistance technology for the bolster for 2023. Include the forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking or front assist with pedestrian, and new for 2023 cycle detection, active blind spot monitor or side assist, front and rear park distance control, and high beam control or light assist. Furthermore, the advanced IQ.DRIVE driver assistance suite is standard on every ID.4 model, featuring Travel Assist 2.0 with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping system or lane assist, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, traffic sign recognition, and emergency assist 3.0 new for 2023. ID.4 adds a Park Assist Plus with a memory parking and assisted lane change functionality as an enhancement of Travel Assist.